welcome back to Sophia's World. It's me, Sophia. In today's video, I will be showing you what I sometimes do in a day on the weekends. So I'm playing with Play-Doh right now, and I made some things. So I made this strawberry macaron, and look, it has a little strawberry on it. And this is the set of Play-Doh Pinkie Pie's bakery. So this is Pinkie Pie right here. You know, My Little Pony? I think you all should know what My Little Pony is by now. Okay, and then I made a cupcake. And it has this little sparkly purple coating on it. And also, there's also... So this is a main frosting. It's a pink sparkly one. And then there's a blue love heart on it. And my mummy's playing right now with this scented one.
Yes.
Let me show you. So it's that one. It smells so good. And also, she's trying to make like a Mr. Potato Head. So there's a cat. There's so many cute little things.
Let's see what cool design I can...
She's going to try and make this.
Oh dear. Okay.
Yeah, there's like eyes in there. There's googly eyes here. There's a pear right there.
Let's see. Okay, you do your thing. Let me do mine.
There. Put that there.
I'll do it. Okay, so this is what I have to do.
Yeah.
Can she do it?
We picked
yes,
some
she
out.
can.
We picked some.
What's that?
It's an alien head.
Just do your thing.
I want this
Let me
tail.
do mine.
I want this
Okay, so
tail.
I need that.
Look at the tail. I want to put this tail in here.
Okay.
It's a tail.
Okay, there we go.
See?
Okay.
Okay.
It's pretty similar.
Let's show them.
No. Okay, so hold this up. You hold that up. Put it there in front. So we'll do like a little one. That's pretty cute. Is that similar? I think yes.
Yeah.
Did I do good?
Yeah.
You want to make him look a little bit more fancy?
I'm gonna make a lady.
You can put his hat on. He's a cowboy.
I'm gonna make a crazy.
Oh yeah, baby.
I'm gonna make a crazy one.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, we're gonna do some hands. Oh, he's pretty cute.
I need some hands.
Okay, should we have a look?
I need these hands.
Oh, is that not cute? Hi. It's pretty cute.
I'm gonna make a pink one, and it's gonna be very crazy. Okay, what do I have up my sleeve?
I don't know. What do you have up your sleeve?
Okay, so first there's this big weird tail on the back, and then I'll put these ginormous arms out.
Oh dear. I think I might make an alien. What are you making?
I'm making a weird one. I'm gonna use these thingies. What? What? What?
Okay, make your... You make an alien, I'm gonna make...
Wait. I took one!
You've already got one.
I know, but I'm trying to make
take
it weird.
these. Okay, you make an alien, I'm gonna make an alien. Or make the weirdest looking creature you can make, okay?
And I'm gonna put these weird looking eyes on him. And I'm gonna put a weird smile. This thing. Let's see. And then this ginormous nose. Oh, that looks good.
You leave
And
some
then,
things for home.
I know, but I'm picking some thingies. Cool.
Challenge is to make the craziest looking Play-Doh character. Oh gee, you can make, okay? Let me see what I can do. What can I come up with?
Guys, let's see. Look at what mine looks like. Ooh.
Okay.
Want to see? This and then these two alien eye tentacle thingies, and then this tail.
Let's see what I can come up with.
That looks weird.
Many hands make for light work.
But that's actually cute though.
Of course, you're going to look fancy at all times, don't you?
So
tired.
Does anybody want some food? Does anybody want some food? Does anybody want the strawberry? Does anybody want the strawberry?
Alright, I think I'm finished. I think. There's not much else I can do. Okay. Gently. Ready? Oh, it's a crazy alien family. Oh yeah. Hi, Mum.
Hi. That's so Mum because it's big.
Hi. It's pretty cute.
Let's see what we can make now.
Now maybe you have to do the cutest.
Wait, I'm gonna try and make the cutest thing.
Cutest.
Wait, I need these. No, wait, no.
Don't take everything. You gotta share.
I'm
so tiny.
It's not one of the little things. Look at my little mouth, Mummy.
Oh, so cute.
I'm gonna put it That's a bow tie. Yeah, I'll put this bow on top. Oh, it's so cute. Mine is so like small and tiny.
Okay, ready? I'll show you mine. Mine's a little heart. It's like a heart chick. It's like a little heart chick. See, shape of a heart.
Okay,
What do you do?
He's mine.
Oh, that's cute.
And your little mouth is this little hole.
So cute.
Look at the tiny little hands. Has a little bow in it.
Okay.
Okay, what should we make now?
Maybe you have to make something like the most delicious cupcake.
Ooh, I want this.
I think I'll take purple.
Okay, guys, so you can make the delicious one.
Most delicious cupcake ever.
Wait, what's on the front of it? Oh, balloons. Pinkie Pie's one. This is a Pinkie Pie. I'm gonna make like the most delicious looking frosting. And just like any normal frosting, you'll see what I mean with that. This is a cool frosting.
Do you know what's so far? Okay. That's done now.
This is a cool frosting, don't you think?
Super.
It's like a zigzag.
Very fancy. Ooh, glitter.
The glitter, glitter. And my name is Glitter. I need some of that baba glitter. Glitter. But yeah, because it's stuck in there.
That just crumbles. It's just crumbs, people. It's just crumbs. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We have to try and mold it. It's all crumbling.
I'm gonna roll this out.
Okay, like that. This little green, we it's nice. I like the green. What is Mummy going to do with green? Yes, what am I going to do?
Honey cookie. I'm gonna make the sides of this a little bit like zigzaggy to make it more cool. Can I put that in? This is a ginormous cupcake.
Ginormous. Ginormous. What else? What buttons have we got underneath? What have you got? I suppose I should use you, shouldn't I?
And I'll take one of these. Which one? I think a gem. There's mine. Look at that, baby.
Cute.
Oh.
I don't know who I've got, whoever that person is, but they're there.
And I got this fork, and I'm just gonna stab it. Let's put this fork. I'm gonna put a little bit of zigzag around it. Put a little bit of zigzag around it. A little bit of zigzag around it. Bit of zigzag. Bit of zigzag.
Bit of zigzag.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, this one. Oh, yeah, we have a rainbow. We have a little My Little Pony person here. Some icing.
Wait, can I see who that My Little Pony
I don't
person
know who it is. I don't know who it is.
That is
Some green
Rainbow Dash.
frosting.
No, that's,
Some purple frosting and a strawberry.
this is mine, so it has this fork in it, and it's like really cute, and it also has a zigzag.
Very cute.
And you're gonna stick some.
Right
really
out, right
nice-
out.
I'm actually gonna eat this.
Okay, eat it.
Ah!
I dare you to eat it, Sophia. Eat it. Eat it.
I'm gonna put